Have you encountered a Hotpoint washing machine F05 error code? If so, we're here to help you figure it out. My name is Matt from eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you to fix your appliances yourself. If you're seeing an F05 error code on your Hotpoint washing machine, it could indicate a number of different issues, such as the drain pump or blockages in your pump filter. Alongside the F05 error code on your washing machine, you may also notice that your appliance isn't draining. In this video, we'll show you what to check when this error code appears and how to resolve it. It could mean that your washing machine drain pump has failed and it needs to be replaced. However, there are a couple of simple checks that we can do first to ensure that the problem isn't with another area of your appliance. Let's take a look. For this video, you will need a pair of pliers or pump pliers, a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver.
Safety first, always make sure you turn off an appliance and disconnect it from the mains before carrying out any work.
The first area to check is the drain hose for any kinks or blockages. Pull your machine out so you can access it and then straighten the hose out as much as possible to inspect it. If you find any damage on your hose, then you will need to replace it, and you can find a link to these in the description below. Next, you need to check the hose for any blockages. So feel down it for any bumps or extra weight that you might not expect. A good idea is to get a wire coat hanger, straighten it out, and then you can feed that down the hose and remove any debris. You may also have to take the hose off the machine. If doing so, ensure that when you put it back, it's put on straight and that there are no kinks. If your drain hose seems all right, or if you're still seeing the Hotpoint F05 error code, you should then check the filter. Now, to access the filter, we first need to remove the kickplate at the bottom of the appliance. On this one, there are 3 tabs holding in place, which I'm going to use a flat-headed screwdriver to access and release. It may be different on your model. Next, we need to unscrew and take out the pump filter. However, there may well be some water behind that will leak onto your floor. So it's a good idea to grab a tray or dish to collect any water that may be behind the filter. Now, make sure to clean the washing machine filter and inspect it for any signs of damage and remove any potential blockages or debris. Don't forget to also check and clean the inside of the pump housing, the bit that you pulled the filter from. And while you're at it, check the pump impeller for damages or any blockages. You can use a screwdriver here to rotate the impeller. If it's okay, you should feel a bit of resistance as you move it. However, if there's no resistance, the impeller moves freely, that signals a fault. In this case, the pump itself would need to be replaced. To replace the pump, you need to access the bottom of the machine in order to be able to take it out. So what I've done is I've laid the washing machine down flat. Next, I can undo these 2 Phillips head screws at the front to release the pump. With the 2 screws removed, you can then turn it clockwise to release from the front of the appliance. So use your pliers to pinch the 2 bars, which loosens the clip. You can then work it to the back of the hose. Now, when you take the hose off, do remember there may be some water in there, so keep a cloth handy. Once you've got one off, you can then move to the other one. And lastly, you need to remove the electrical connections. To do that, grab your flat-headed screwdriver, lift up the tiny little tab at the top, like so. You should then just be able to pull that off. And do the same with the other one. Like so. When ordering a new drain pump for your Hotpoint washing machine, it's essential that you have your make and model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the correct part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your machine, check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. To fit your new pump, simply attach the electrical connections. These should just push on and clip into place. And then attach both your hoses, making sure the clips are on nice and firmly. With the hoses connected, you can then push into position and turn anti-clockwise to lock in before then replacing the two screws. Then screw in the filter and replace the kick plate. So there we have it, how to fix an F05 error code on a Hotpoint washing machine. Hopefully your appliance is up and running smoothly once more. If you're seeing other error codes on your washing machine and you're unsure about how to deal with them, don't worry. Check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, appliance advice, maintenance and care guides, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.